Is it possible that you can actually make money online without selling anything? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to a new training video here on my channel. Listen, I am super stoked to talk to you about how you can start making money on the internet without selling anything. You know, most people teach you that the only way to make money online is to sell. And it kind of makes sense because when money changes hands, possibly we could get a little cut of that, right? As a commission or a referral fee or whatever you want to call it. But I've been doing this for 20 years, and I've actually found a way that you can generate commissions without selling anything. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to make any money. I'm not implying you're going to make any money. I'm going to show you a process, and I'm going to give you a completely free course. I want you to pay attention to that. A free course. I'm not selling you anything here. There's nothing for sale. I'm going to give you a free course that shows you how it's done. All right? Now, if you're new to my channel, obviously my name is Anthony Morrison. I've been doing affiliate marketing, internet marketing, building businesses online now for 20 years. And I love teaching people. I love showing people how I do the things that I do, and how they can do the things that I'm doing as well, right? It's empowering people. I truly believe that if we teach the masses, if I can teach 1,000 people with this video how to go out and do something that's productive with their life, that could truly help them have more financial stability, that collectively, if there's enough of us doing that, we can truly change the world. We can create a better economy because we help you get your personal economy going. Now, I'm already teaching a lot of people. In fact, let me show you real quick. If we look here on my screen, we have like 9,000 people or so, give or take, that are in this program already. Now, I want to also, explain to you guys, they're in here and it is completely free. Cost you nothing. In fact, I've built an entire training course on this. Look at this. An entire training course, sessions, modules, everything that you could possibly need and want to be able to do what I'm doing, you can now do right here in this course completely free. Now, why would I teach you how to do this free? And the question really becomes, what even is this, right? Like, what is it that I'm actually teaching you? So let's just break it down for you. I have a whiteboard I love to teach on, so I'm going to break it down. This is called the ERC affiliate. You might want to take notes on this. Affiliate program. Okay? Now, before we even get started, I'd love right now, will you leave me a comment below? Do you mind doing that for me? Leave me a comment below and tell me if you're excited about the opportunity to learn how to do something, okay, without selling anything. Learn how you can make money on the internet without making a sale. And not only that, I'm going to show you how you can make money because the internet exists, but without ever even really using the internet, meaning you don't have to have a website, you don't have to have a funnel, you don't have to run an ad, you don't have to do any marketing. Think about that. I'm just getting rid of all of those things that you've probably struggled with, and I'm going to break it down to a very simple thing, but this simple thing has a timeline. It's only available at the time I'm filming this video. It only is available for about 2 years. Okay, so this is not a very long-term play. This is not something that you can do for the next 20 years of your life, but it's something that if you take advantage of it while it exists, you can have some success with in the next 2 years. Let me break it down for you. It's called the ERC affiliate program. And by the way, thank you for leaving me those comments. The ERC affiliate program, what that means is basically affiliate marketing usually works like this. There's a business, okay, and this business wants to make money, okay, but the business needs customers. So we'll just kind of draw this out. This is customers, okay? This business needs customers, all right? So what do? They create what they call affiliates, okay? That would be me, that would be you. The affiliate goes out and gets all these customers and sends them to the business. And when that business makes money, okay, they come back here to the affiliate and they give you a % of the money that they make. That is basic affiliate marketing. Typically what happens is there is a sell that happens right here in order for that money to be made. But with this program, it's a little bit different. ERC is basically free money, okay, to business owners, okay, due to COVID. All right, so when COVID hit, you probably heard about PPP loans, right? Those were loans. This is a refund, all right, or a credit, all right? So I want you to understand something. This is businesses getting back money they've already spent, okay? This is a refund or a credit that some businesses do qualify for. Here's the thing. Originally, when this all came out, you could only have one or the other. You could only either get a PPP loan or get ERC credits. And as you all know, I mean, look, even if you don't own a business, you probably heard of the PPP loans, right? Most every business got the PPP money. Well, the rules have now changed to where now you can if you qualify, you can have both. So you could have gotten PPP money and still qualify for ERC money. But most business owners don't know that. You don't see it on national television every night, right? We've moved on from trying to help the small businesses in the country, and we've moved on to other stuff. But the fact of the matter is there's hundreds of billions of dollars set aside for these small businesses and these ERC credits that they don't know that they could get. And that's where you come in. Because there's the ERC credits. Okay, so we'll just call this ERC money right here. And then there's the business owner, okay? And the only thing that really stands between that business owner, okay, and that ERC credit that they could qualify for is two things. Number one, they need to know about it, okay? And that's where you come in. You become an affiliate, okay? Just like up here, just like that. You become an affiliate. So you go out and you basically find these small business owners that want these credits. Now, the next thing the small business owner is going to say is, well, wait a minute, I don't know how to fill all this paperwork out. I don't understand how to do this. And that's where we basically have the paperwork company. The company that does basically the CPAs, right? This is the company that does all the paperwork, does the filing, okay, with the government to get the business that money. What you do is you're going to simply send the business owners, okay? You're going to send the business owners here to this company. The business owner doesn't have to do anything, and I want to be very clear on this, okay? The business owner does not have to do anything. They don't have to pay a fee. They don't have to pay $1 to get started with this. The company that we work with, we'll talk to them on the phone, see if they qualify, and then they will do all the paperwork. They will file everything for them. And then if the business owner gets ERC money, let's look, if this business owner gets this ERC money, so if there's ERC money sent back to the business owner, okay, let's just say it's $1 million, all right? If that money gets sent back to the business owner, then the business owner has to pay this company a fee. And it's somewhere between 10 and 30%. It depends on how many employees they have, how much work is involved, all that kind of stuff, right? I mean, obviously, bigger company, probably going to spend a little more, maybe a little less. Just all depends, right? For the sake of this example, we'll go with 20%, okay? So that means that the business owner gets $800,000, net, and this company is going to get a $200,000 fee. Now, wait a minute, where do you come in? Well, it's real simple. Once they get that fee, they send you 10% of it, which means you just made $20,000 on that referral. Now, I know this looks crazy. There's a whole lot of, gibberish going on here, and that's the reason why I built this course. This course breaks down for you all the way from session 1, how to sign up as an affiliate. You can see right here, become an ERC affiliate right here. So you can literally watch this video, I explain it, you click, you can become an affiliate. We walk you through every single step. And then you can join people in our community. There's almost 9,000 people in our community, and you can literally see there are people that are posting in here. I did 2 deals, one for $1.5 million with a $23,000 commission, one for $2.3 million with a $47,000 commission. That's from 2 calls. Go, go, go. I mean, you could see that these things are true. Like, look, there's posts all in here from us interviewing students, people that have done deals, had $2.2 million deal, $1.6 million deal. Now, it's important for me to make sure that you're aware of this. First of all, there's a link right below this video. If you click it, you can now get access to this course completely free. I'm telling you right now, click the link, you will see I'm selling you nothing. The reason I did this is because I get paid a commission too, just full transparency. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. I'm gonna educate you, I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you how our students are doing this, okay? And I'm doing it all for free. But it's not because I'm just the greatest person on planet Earth. It's because I get paid when you make a commission. So they have a 2-tier commission program. This is not an MLM, there's no legs and all that nonsense. Basically just means if you earn a commission, so do I, because I'm the one that referred you and taught you. So the more people I can teach, the more people I can show how to do this, the better off I am and the better off you are. This is truly a win-win opportunity that doesn't exist in many places, right? Because typically people say it's a win-win and then they ask you to pay for it. And they say, hey, Just put your credit card information in. When you click the link below, you will see there's no credit card information asked for. It is free, right? 100% free. But you got to do the work. You got to get in, go through the training. Let me show you how this is done. It's completely legit. You'll see when you get in there, I've interviewed my attorney who actually got ERC money and then referred other people to get ERC money. So we're talking about like, you know, this is it sounds crazy, and I know when I first heard about it, I thought it was insane. In fact, it took me about 6 months before I started actually doing it. But now I really see that this is legitimate. There are a lot of legit people doing this. It just is what it is, right? But it's a unicorn because it only lasts for the next couple of years, and it just happens to be here because of COVID. It's not like stuff like this exists all the time. So if you've been looking for a way to be an affiliate, be able to make money, but think about it, you only got to go talk to business owners that you know, or friends that you know business owners. You don't even actually have to use the internet in order to do this. Now, in my training, I show you how to do that, but I also show you how you can use the internet, drive people to funnels, build an email list, send them to the thing, but you're selling nothing. If you've been looking for something that can work for you that isn't going to take up a lot of techie brain power, this is it. So click the link that you see below, and what I want you to do right now is if you're clicking that link, I just want you to say, I got the course, I got the course. Just put it in the comments below. Just say, I got the course, I got the course, and of course, like this video. The more likes we get, the more YouTube will show this to people, the more people we can help, the bigger team we build, right? So my goal is to empower you, teach you, educate you, and build a team of people that's crushing it with this, okay? So what I want you to do is click that link below. You can get the completely free course, all right? It costs you nothing. And then you'll have access to all the training that you need. Leave me a comment. Let me know you're in. Just say, I got the course, like this video, and I look forward to seeing you with another affiliate marketing training.